हेलो, वेलकम, नमस्कार, आदाब। आज मैं आपको अपने प्लांट दिखाने जाता हूँ। पाइनएप्पल ट्रीज। दीज आर almost 10 month before almost 10 month before I showed you a small plant I planted in the bottle. You can check in my link. But after 10 months I want to show you how these are growing. But here you can see out of 9 plants only 6 are still surviving. So ये हमारे 6 पौधे हैं जो अभी भी गमलों में चल रहे हैं। और अगर हम देखें तो इनकी हाइट कितनी हो गई है, तो you can see how high these are, almost 15-16 inches. This is my smallest one. The second smallest one is this one, which is almost I will say the same 15-16. But in this plant, in this pot, you can see tulsi and basil also started growing somehow. It got some seeds from somewhere. And this plant is almost 17-18. But here you can look at this huge. It's very big. I mean, if we will compare this wideness, it's almost more than 2 feet. But I'm still waiting for the fruits. Look at this one. I mean, this is also 32 inches far apart, and then you can see almost 20 inches height reaches to the plant, and same one is this one. So they are growing very well in the 10 month, but still I'm waiting for the fruits, and this one is also 30 inches. So here you can see these are all growing very well, and I want to show you what nutrition I'm giving, and how much I am taking care of this one. Okay, so now I want to show you what fertilizer I am giving them. It's a pure organic homemade. I don't know if it is fruits are some fruits are organic, some not, but at least it's all homemade liquid फर्टिलाइज़र, आई विल से तरल खाद हम इसे दे रहे हैं। तो इसके लिए क्या करना है आपको कि यू हैव टू टेक फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल कटिंग्स एंड पीलिंग्स एंड सोक इन द वाटर ओवरनाइट। तो जितने भी फल और सब्जियां हैं और तरकारी के जितने भी छिलके हैं वो सबको जो है मैं इकट्ठा करता हूँ। और ये देखिए आप जो बनाना ऑरेंज, दिस इज़ दी ओनियन, प्याज है और भी मिर्चें हैं। इन सब के छिक्कल मैंने जो है इकट्ठा कर रखे हैं। तो इन सबको मैं पानी में भिगो देता हूँ और रात भर ये भीगते रहते हैं। तो और जब ये भीग जाते हैं तो मैं यही पानी में है इन पौधों को देता हूँ। इसी से ये पौधे ग्रो हो रहे हैं। तो अब ये all these vegetable plants, so we have to soak them in the water for overnight, one night at least you have to soak. And this is my last day. Yesterday I soaked them, so I'm going to add this water in every plant, little bit, some of them. थोड़ा जो है खाद का ये पानी ये हर एक पौधे में ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो गया। ये भी एक बार रिंस कर लेता हूँ। और पुराने वाले पेड़ को दे देता हूँ। तो इस तरीके से जो हैं अभी तक हम दे रहे हैं और हमारे पौधे ग्रो कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छे से। But still I am waiting for their fruits to come out. So let's soak them overnight. The next day I will add these into plants. Okay. Here I have today's my vegetable peelings and cuttings. So I'm going to add this also. my water tub, and here you can see this will be all today whole night, and then tomorrow I can use this water to give these plants and also some other plants also. So in this way, I'm making my liquid fertilizer also. And now this will go in my compost, because it's already I have taken the water from here, and this will be ready for tomorrow. And here I would like to show you something more, that pineapple plants take 16 to 28 months for the flower to appear. So I cannot see any sign so far, because it's only 10 month or maybe 12 month is there. So 16 से 28 महीने में अनानास के फल आते हैं. And the best thing is this, that pineapple fruit plant is very tropical plant, and it has the very high amount of the vitamin C, vitamin B6, dietary fibers, and iron and magnesium both, and some other many sugar also. So this is the month of November, and I will show you after some time how these plants are growing. So by that time, keep it checking my videos, and we'll show you more. Thank you.